Welcome back, students. Now this is the time for to dissect the muscular triangle in the anterior triangle subdivision. What we are going to show here, the boundaries of the the muscular triangle. Muscular triangle is bounded medially by the midline here, where the two sternothyroid muscles, they lie parallel. So a line is standing in midline from that of the hide bone, body of the hide bone, going deep into the sternal notch will be the medial boundary of the muscular triangle. Then the the lateral boundary, infralateral boundary is formed by the medial border of the sternocleidomastoid, especially the sternal head of the sternocleidomastoid. And supralateral boundary is formed by the muscle which is called as the superior belly of the omohyoid. So this muscle is the superior belly of the omohyoid, which takes origin from the body of the hide bone and will form an intermediate tendon, and it will unite with that of the inferior belly of the omohyoid. Okay, this is the sternocleidomastoid. What I am going to do is that first I will cut the muscle which is called as the sternohyoid, which comes from the posterior aspect of the manubrum sterni and then goes up to the body. So just I am separating its border of the sternohyoid muscle, and then ultimately we will cut it from middle, okay, just to expose what lies deep to it. I am going right up to the jugular fossa, where I have already dissected the jugular vein, which was the union of the anterior jugular veins from both the sides, right? So what we are going to do here is that once I have separated the two medial borders of the two sternohyoid muscle, then this will be easy to lift it. Okay, what I am doing is now lifting this and just removing the connective tissue deep to it, okay, of the sternohyoid. And now I will cut it from middle and will reflect the two cut ends upwards and downwards also. See this? Now I will reflect. See the loose connective tissue. I am cutting the loose connective tissue, okay, which lies deep to the sternohyoid muscle. See, these loose connective tissues are here. They are interposed between the deeper muscle, and now this is the time to expose the deeper muscle after removal of this loose connective tissue from the surface of the deep muscle. So what we will expose here is the muscle called as the sternothyroid. Okay, just a minute, let me some of the fibers of the sternothyroid came along with the loose connective tissue, so I am just separating these fibers of the sternothyroid. And this sternothyroid, it goes right up to the, I will just cut first the omohyoid belly, superior belly of the omohyoid also, which was forming the supralateral boundary. So I just cut the superior belly of omohyoid so that the deeper muscle we can expose properly. That is the sternothyroid and thyroid. Okay, now this muscles, sternohyoid, it goes, sternothyroid, it goes to the oblique line coming from the sternum, the first costal cartilage too, and then you can see